Chickens are experiencing their first snowstorm today, and they aren't loving it. I came in and I brushed out most of the snow that was around the edges and threw down some extra straw. They have their little coop. They really wanted to go in there, but they were not happy. They were yelling at me when I came in. Nugget, do you have anything to say about the snow? No. Kiwi, did you have anything to say about the snow? Do you have anything to say about the snow? Not really. Sparkles, did you have anything to say? Sweet Pea? No. You're very mouthy when I came in. No, you want to say something? Usually they're not camera shy. No? This is my first year with chickens. They'll be a year old. They're pandemic chickens. Hi. You say you hate snow? You hate snow? Okay.